I'm making a delicious beef and mushroom dinner. First, I'm going to cut up an onion into small pieces. Then I'm going to chop up some garlic. And here's some mushrooms. I'm going to slice them up. And that's pretty much my prep work. This is my skillet, and I sprayed it with a nonstick cooking spray, and I'm adding my beef. This has to be an 80-20. It works better for this meal. I'm going to add my garlic and my onion. And I'm going to cook everything up for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add some salt and pepper. That's going to make it taste really good. I'm going to stir that in. And I added some Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon. I forgot to film it. Now I'm going to add my mushrooms. And I'm going to cook them for about 5 minutes until they've reduced and softened. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And that's going to be a thickener for my gravy. Mix them in until you don't see any more white. And this is some beef broth. Okay, I'm going to mix this together and I'm going to let it come up to a boil. It's going to be a nice gravy. This is boiling water in a big pot. Okay, make sure it's boiling, rolling boil. I added some pasta and some salt. Back to my beef mixture, you can see I have a nice thick gravy. Now I'm going to add some sour cream, because this is beef stroganoff. Okay, so now I'm going to mix that together until it's completely combined. Okay, so now I'm going to get some fresh parsley and I'm going to start cutting that up nice and finely. I'm going to add my fresh parsley to my gravy mixture, and that's done. So now we're going to plate it up. Here's my pasta and then my beef and mushroom mixture. I'm telling you guys, this was really, really good. So this is my 1-pot mushroom beef stroganoff. Very, very tasty. Thanks for watching.